peeps, so I'm right here. I made it. I'm gonna pick up the stuff. I already sent the person a text that I'm here. Alright, my peeps, so I made it. This is where all the stuff was located. And from all of this stuff, all the material, I loaded all of this. So I got most of the wood that is not treated, so I could process it into the biochar. Some of this metal, so I could get at least gas money. Some rain barrels. I'm gonna convert this aluminum thing into that chimney piece that I'm missing for my biochar. Then I don't know what I'm gonna do with these aluminum. Maybe recycle them. But there was a aluminum garage store. But yeah, so I'm pretty much done, and I'm loaded. So I told you guys, gotta be a producer, not a consumer. All right, my peeps. Laters. Well, my peeps, I made it. Oh, and on my way home on Ascot, and I forgot it was like 50 something. I saw this in the corner. Man, I came up, dude. Just there. It was empty. So it looks like trash on little girl, but it's not trash. Trust me, little girl. I'm gonna put it to use. So look, little girl. This is what I'm gonna do. So all of the wood, I'm gonna make it into biochar. I'm gonna burn it. And you see this right here? This is a fence. So this fence, I'm gonna put it around so no dogs and could go inside. And this to collect the rainwater, little girl. See? And I got 4 of these, and then this one I got it for free, but I'm gonna give it to Mary's mom because Mary has some of these too. And the thing is, little girl, that she's using these instead of to collect water. She's putting the recyclables, like the cans, the aluminums, and the plastic. But I'm gonna switch her. I'm gonna trade her this one for one of these. Yeah. And then all the metal, little girl, like this, I'm gonna take it to the recycling center, and they give you money, little girl, for metal, for scrap metal. And then that sheet right here, this long sheet, little girl, this one, I'm gonna make a chimney, so I can make my biochar. Yeah. So it's all gonna go to use, little girl. Trust me. All of it. But yeah, I know it looks like trash, it looks like junk, but it's not, little girl. It's all good. Cool, little girl. All right, my peeps. See you guys later.